I just got my new pick set the other day. Just wanted to show it to you. It's the KLOM Navigator set. Got some really nice picks in it. There wasn't really a way to store the tension wrenches, so I made a magnet inside that can hold all my tension wrenches in place. So if I need one, I can just take one out. That's pretty handy. Also with it came a lot of car picks, at least that's what I guess they are for, not these one. A lot of them are double. I have no idea why. I haven't used them yet, but I might soon. So, feels like a pretty good set. I'll probably review it within a week or so. So yeah, these are the different kinds of tension wrenches that came with it. Let me focus here. Some very nice, that's one I created myself, some very nice different tension wrenches. I think they're a little thick, but this one's really nice for dimple locks, I've noticed. Some of them are really nice, but most of them are kind of thick. This is the one I normally use, and you can see the difference. But they work fine. So there you have it. I might post a review on the key picking forum. And yeah, thanks for watching.